Cool. Man, I
Awesome.
almost forgot to record. All right, now what you were saying?
Oh, the only other thing is because the only other thing I'm looking at, it might not hit the 886.
Mm-hmm.
Here we got a strong area right here. Well, let me put it in another color. Let me see.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so it may come here and just bounce off the 786
Mhm.
right there. It may bounce there. It may come down to here in this area, and then we could run the stop below the 886 because you still got a strong area here. When it went up and it bounced and it rejected. So this is a strong area also. So it may do something in there, but I think that's the zone, the 786 to the 786 to the 886 in that area, and put the stops like you say maybe below it. But that's a strong that's a strong correction, man. That's a deep correction.
Mm-hmm. Look at because of that impulse down.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it might challenge the low. I see what you say from this perspective. It might challenge that where it went before and bounce.
Yes,
Yeah,
and this
so
is just, and once again, this is just the 1 hour trade. That's it, just the 1 hour trade. All right.
okay.
I also seen this on here, right? So let me, if I expand this, right?
Let me get that off now.
All right, so we got this low candle right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, but the price action actually came below the last price action.
Got you.
All that is a candle. We got a double bottom right here.
Yeah, we do.
So there's a possibility to come back down to that double bottom.
Yeah.
But I'm not even going to throw that scenario in there right now because once again, we're just trying to take these fib trades.
Got you.
You know, just see if this one, you know, we demoing to see if this AUD chief likes those fib trades. So,
okay.
And that's all. And this is the 4 hour. So the 4 hour trade. So we'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Yeah.
See if it turn out. If it don't turn out, then we know that this pair, the AUD chief and maybe some other AUDs, they just don't like messing with them fibs like that. You know.
Yeah.
I know we can go back and back test and do the back test, you know, but one time, you know, I've learned from doing back test, you learn all this information as soon as you try to apply it to do something different.
Yeah, the levels change.
Yeah, because just like people do.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yeah, the level and prices change.
Mm-hmm. So you said you wanted something you wanted to look at?
Yeah, I had something very strange going on. I was in some trades this week.
Mm-hmm.
And let me show you on my chart.
Okay.
Because I already had my chart marked. That's what I was saying. Share screen. Yeah, I had my chart marked. I'm gonna try to. Let me see here. All right. Let me go here. Man, this is very strange, bro. Now, I was in this trade here. This messed me up right here. I was in this AUD. I had already marked my my buy zone because I saw the trend.
Mm-hmm.
And but because when it broke, it was an uptrend, but it broke, it didn't go, it went above this zone. And then I had already set in at the bottom of the trend line. Mm-hmm. And actually I triggered, but what threw me off was at the same time this euro was kicking AUD, but I was in the Japanese yen. Mm-hmm. To the downside. And I'm like, it really it wasn't making sense to me. So anyways, I had already marked this side. You don't even see I had a black line where it was gonna come up to this, and I was gonna put a pending sale. All the technicals So the short on the EJ and all the technicals showed long on EA.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
There's
And
no
it was
correlation.
huh?
There's no correlation.
No, that's what I was saying. I couldn't put now I'm learning EA and EJ ain't correlated at all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You see what I'm saying? They
Yeah,
wouldn't
yeah.
correlate at all, man.
No, because you know that Jappy sells more oil than Australia.
Got you.
They have more refineries than
Gotcha.
Australia. You know what I mean? So a lot of that Jappy money, you know what I mean? You know, they gonna run different because you know they buying and selling, buying oil, refining and selling, you know.
Got you. Got you. So yeah, I ended up getting in on a loan right here. I let it pull it all the way down to this level and it kissed it perfectly. So I'm in a
good short.
Yeah, I wasn't, so I'm in a loan now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually in the loan, but I was trying to get this short up here, but it didn't go to my box. It didn't trigger. I got it. It actually, this was my buy zone right here. This green box. I mean, the green box. It didn't touch that. It just went on down. So I waited, and actually it touched till yesterday. So I got in on the loan, and I closed the EA. I think I got a trailing stop. I got stopped out on this one.
Oh,
I took
okay.
some profits.
How many pips was your trailing stop?
I think I had my trailing stop on this one was I think 5. I think it was it 5 pips?
Oh,
I think
okay.
it was, yeah, I had a tight one because I was trying to see what it was gonna do. And then if you look down on the 4 hour, it got kind of choppy. It actually pulled back, and I was like, dog, it's pulling back. And actually that was another entry right there, but I just had my trail. So this is where I got stopped out up in here. So I really didn't, you know, I think I made about 30, 40 pips, but I got stopped out up in here, and now it took off again. But anyways, it looked like it's gonna take profit today, and I'm gonna take this off the watch list. Oh
yeah, that was one of the ones we went over. Yep.
Yeah, that was one of the ones we went over. So I got in on that one. Let's see, the CAD. I didn't get in on this one, but I was looking at it on the I'm looking at it on the 1 hour. We had an impulse. Let me take this big old box off of here. Get this big old retarded box off of here. Hold on. Yeah. All right, so we have a I'm gonna annotate. All right. All right, so we had this impulse. Oh, wrong color. Oh, that's not dark enough. All right, that's not dark enough. All right, we had an impulse, slow correction, and then I was looking on the pullback to get in on a long by right up in here. I was, but I went to sleep. I didn't actually set my my buy limit, but I was looking to getting in on the impulse correction. If it's gonna break this high, I don't know, but on the CAD, I would, like I said, that I'm on the day trade. That's just my part of my strategy. I'm looking at these impulse corrections, and then then another impulse to the upside on the UCAD, but it's still on the watch list. Let me see how it look on the day chart. Let me see. Well, I'm gonna go to the weekly. Yeah, it's still in a good uptrend right now. That's why I saw that I was gonna take it up. He's actually right here on this weekly candle. It started there and it filled the wick. You see it filled that wick. So I was actually looking to get in on the long, but now it look like it may just pull back somewhere.
Yeah. Bring the chart down some.
Yeah, bring it down.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good push down.
Yeah, that's a good push. Yeah, that's why I say the UCAD, we might get some good loans in over the next you know, next week or two, we might get a couple of weeks, we might be able to get some good longs in, you know, on this one, because it look like it's the bottom out, look like it's, you know, I'm just looking at the structure. It then broke the downtrend, you know, it then broke and retested the downtrend. Let's see. So, you know, I'm thinking that it may be an uptrend for the next couple of weeks, you know, now that, and it is even broke above, you see, it just broke above the last weekly high right here. So yeah, it's looking strong for some longs. I'm gonna be looking to take longs.
Yeah, you may get like hold on, I don't even have my annotate turned on. Yeah, you might get a little push back to your trend line, then go.
Yeah.
For the next correction. Yeah. And then go. That would be nice too.
Yep.
That would definitely be nice, because then you like you guaranteed.
Yeah. Yeah. Right now it's kind of risky. That's why I'll tell you. I like.
Oh, why you got this box right here?
Which one?
Okay, so this is a lower time frame box.
This actually was when I was looking at it weeks ago. I looked at it this way it had been, and I guess I just never took that out.
And that might be,
to see if it was going to break below and then come back. My initial trade was going to be, my idea when it was shorting was
that might be your level right there.
Yeah, it might be, because I was looking here, right, break below, up, and then down, and it did that, but I didn't set a sell order right here. But yeah, it might go right here and bam. Yep. Might be able to get in a little quick short right there.
Yep.
Get a quick short in right there. You know, get a little quick short in. Bam. That'd be the level right there. But that's when I had this box. That was the last. That we didn't have all this. That was weeks ago. I just never deleted it.
Well, you know, we on this push down. We don't have too many. We got this area, and then we got that area. So we taking longs until, you know, one of them areas.
Yeah. Let me see what it line up with. Let me see what it line up with on the fields. What the levels line up with. Take that off of them.
Yeah, because where's the last impulse? This is a correction.
Let me look. I'm gonna move it up. 282.
So the 618 is right here, and this is the 50. Same one.
Yeah, it look like all these levels look good. Look like you had a little resistance here. You got a little hesitation here at this level. So you got support. You had resistance. It represented support right here. Hold on. Yeah, so we had a little support right here. Let me see. Yeah, we had support, resistance, and here we had support. Yeah, these are key levels. And right here at the 618, you had resistance. Yeah, it can go anywhere up in here. Yeah,
but that's on,
but yeah, I'm gonna go to the bigger time frame. This is actually the weekly. I'm sorry.
Weekly, yeah. I just wanted to see where that last impulse came from.
Okay. Oh, you talking about on the weekly?
Yeah.
Okay, let me stretch it out.
Yeah, I guess, yeah. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, now you feel this hold on right there. Okay. This swing low to that swing high.
Yeah.
No, fib them real quick.
All right, let me do it right fast.
Just throw another fib on top of it.
Okay.
Let's see how the motherfuckers match up. Perfect.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yep.
That's a long, bro. That's a long.
Yeah, that's a long. All day. Yeah, that's a long. That's why I think we could capitalize on this UCAD over the next few weeks, man. Going long.
That's a long all day, bro.
Ooh.
He said, "Ooh."
Yeah, because I was looking at it. That's why I wanted to ask you yesterday. I was looking at it. I said, "Man, look like this UCAD got a nice setup, man."
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, and I didn't mark my bias limit because I wanted to catch that dip on the one. I said, I'm just gonna jump down on the one and try to catch me a dip. But now I know it's going to be a pullback. But just look at how much room before it even get to the 382.
Mm-hmm.
Just to get to the 382, how many pips is that, man? Just to work his way to the 382 from here. Hold on. Look how many pips that is, man. 500 pips just to make it to the 382.
We getting that money right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yeah, and then like I said, that was another weekly low over here. So yeah, and then it pushed all the way up to here. This is a good swing trade. If we get an optimal entry, it's a good swing. I think it'll be a good swing, man. Hopefully it play out the way we're looking at it.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's a good one for next week right there.
Yeah. One more I'm looking at oil. I got in a little bit on the oil yesterday. I took a few pips. Look what it did. It closed that wick. On the weekly, it closed that wick. Really, that was optimal to get in up there. Let me take this off. So it closed the wick on the weekly. It filled the wick. So now let's look on the day. So now what I'm looking for to do is to retest this level, break, then maybe another test. I had another one, but then bounce, ultimately to, reject it again. You know what I mean? So I'm looking for shorts next week. I'm looking for a pullback on the, that's what I'm looking for, catch a pullback. I wouldn't get in now. It didn't push down a little too much for me, but I'm looking for just a pullback, a pullback. Come on, pullback oil. And let me see, where am I going to tell you that? Yeah, just a pullback. And then go, maybe pullback, or do crazy stuff, and then go ultimately to go. Yeah.
Bring it in a little bit so we can see how far let's see how far it might go.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Because I see that area right there.
Yeah. Yeah. See, it's creating lower lows, lower highs and lower lows right now. If you look at the last move, yeah. So it's creating it created a lower low right here. Hold on, let me draw that.
Yep. So you looking for that right there?
Yeah.
The buy area is right in here.
Yep.
I mean the sell area is right in there.
Yeah. And I don't think it's gonna get that high. I don't even think it's gonna get high. If it's equal, it could go equal high. That would be optimal. But if it just create another lower high, you know what I mean? Because the reason I was looking at I had a certain area marked out. Hold on, just
go to the 4 hour. It might be on the 4 hour you're looking for.
Yeah. Let's see. Hold on, let me erase this other crap. Erase this other crap out of here.
I think in your clear button you gotta. Oh, okay.
I could hide this stuff too.
I think in your clear button there's a remove all.
Oh, okay. In the clear? Yeah, okay. Clear all drawings. There you go.
And then the ones that don't clear are on the chart that you use your marker or whatever for.
Oh, they ain't working with me.
All right. So now right click on your mouse. Okay. All right. Click off of the chart. I mean, remove all drawings. Bam.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it was two areas I was looking at. That's why I had that line there. Let me see. What did I have? Let's see. I was trying to find a sweet spot, a real sweet spot. I can't really have too much of drawdown on this thing.
Hey, double click right there where you got your mouse at. No, yeah, double click there. No, with your regular, not the right, with your regular left. Double click on the numbers.
Okay, on the numbers.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. All right, thank you. That was I was looking at. This neckline on the 4 hour. Strong area right here. This is the area this is my target area. Right up in here. In that
Okay,
neckline. Yeah, that
got
neckline.
you.
Yeah, because it went here and it bounced up. It went here. It was support the last time it went above it. It broke below because I was looking at this area before, but it broke below it. Then it went like a retest close, even to about, I guess, to about right here, because it went to right there and it rejected. And now we're down going to the downside on the 4. So what I'm looking for is a pullback.
Right back to that area.
Yeah, to that area,
And then
or maybe right here, because now this is turned. This was support, and now it looks like it's turned resistance right here. We'll see. Or so it might be a supply zone right up in here. You see, it bounced the last time it touched here. It bounced. So yeah, last time it touched there, it went there and it bounced. It rejected it. So we're getting a lot of rejections up in here. These are some key levels. I had got in yesterday and I took about 20 pips, but like I said, I had to leave, so I just closed it out because I gotta watch that all. You know what I mean? All is kind of freakish, even though I know right now it's a good time to short. Even on the EMAs, I look at the EMAs. Everything cut below zero. Even on the 4 hours cut below zero. That's why I was taking on the 4. So I was like, okay, it's below zero. When they got right up in here, that's when I took me a nice little short right up in here. It took me about 20 pips and got out. So it's below zero. So I'm just looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback on this oil and short it again.
Yeah.
Short it
I
again.
agree. I
Okay.
agree.
All right, that's all I got, brother. I'm gonna pass it back over
No,
to you.
hold on right quick.
Okay.
Check this out. I know a lot of people new to trading view. You know what I mean? Over there where you got your box set on the left-hand side right here.
Yeah.
Click up there where click on that arrow on the side right next to that box.
Okay.
No, down here where your box is. I marked it.
Oh, that box. Okay, my bad.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Click the plus sign next to your brush.
The star?
Yeah. Plus sign. Yeah, the star. Okay. The rectangle. Click the rectangle because you use the rectangle a lot too, huh?
Yeah.
Click the rectangle. What else you use a lot?
Eclipse.
Okay, click it.
That's good. Okay.
All right. Now you can click off of that.
Okay.
Now click on the you see your field right above it. Yeah, click on that area. Now what do you use in there a lot? The field.
Only the retracement.
Okay, there you go. Click the star. So that go to your favorites.
Awesome.
Okay, go to the next one up, the trend line.
The trend is your friend.
Whatever else in there you like to use.
Okay. Yeah, that's about it. I just use the trend line.
Okay.
There's one more. The long and short positions. All right.
Cool. All right. So now you see this is your favorite bar up here. You can click on the little dots and drag it where you want.
Okay, gotcha.
So I usually keep mine at the bottom so it's out the way or whatever, but that's it.
Man, thank you.
Okay.
I just got my registration on TradeView and I'm still trying to figure out how to use the interface, you know?
Yeah. So now if you look down here at your left-hand corner, you got a star right there. That star, you click it, it turns your favorites off.
Oh,
click
okay.
It again, it turns them back on.
Gotcha. Okay. Man, okay, I got you.
I know that's since we're recording, I know that's gonna help a whole lot of people out. So instead of like, where is this at? You know, you can do the same thing with your time frames. If you click on the arrow on your time frames, click it down.
Oh, yeah, that I'm sorry. Yeah, I see. Okay, you got because I got the 4, the day, and the weekly already.
Yep. If those are the ones you love to use, that's what you put it on.
Okay.
And also for some people that don't like clicking on the favorites or whatever, so a 4 hour is 240, right? So right now on your chart, if you push, let's say the you're on the 4 hour now. This the 1 hour is 60. So just type just in the middle of the chart, Guess type 60. There you go. 1 hour. Hit enter. That's the 1 hour.
Shoot. Okay.
You can guess type 240 right there, and it'll take you to the 4 hour.
Okay. I never knew that. Awesome.
Yep. Any time frame you want. You just break it up into minutes, and there you go.
Awesome. Thank you, bro. Yeah. But yeah, that looks good, man. I'm set up now, Sue. I'm set up. I'm set up. I appreciate you.
Ain't no thing. But yeah, that's a good, that oil is a good short too. That oil is a good short.
Yeah. I meant to call you on it yesterday, but I was moving around and I said, man, me and Brother Gibbs got to get on tomorrow to look at the oil, because it look like it's breaking down a little bit. You know, might can catch a couple hundred pips, capitalize on a couple hundred pips to the downside.
And I was hurt yesterday, dog. Ooh, I don't even know why. I got up, I worked out, you know what I mean? And I was getting ready to get done with my last set, and then my niece came over and wanted me to change her brakes. Man, I changed her brakes, man. I took me a shower, and it's like my body was just like, ooh, in crush you mode.
For real?
Yeah, I was like, man, I know I ain't this old. What is going on?
Yeah, because you've been sleeping a lot. Yeah, but you exercise. That's all you can do is keep exercise. Are you getting your are you doing your cardio, getting your heart rate up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Doing my cardio, got my elliptical. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's about all I could do with my foot being like this.
Yeah.
Man, so
yeah,
it is what it is, man. Oh, we got the word, man. We're gonna be closing in August. So I'm ready to go.
Cool.
What happened? Oh,
I want to die. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, you got the S&P on there?
Let me see. I think I got the S&P. No, let me put it on there. Let me get it. S&P.
There you do. It's the first one, SPX.
Oh, SPX. Okay.
Man, this S&P, I'm not in it anymore. Right? I got out, I think, over here.
Oh my God.
I forgot you can't see my annotate. I got out over here because I entered this one. Me and old boy was talking. I got out and I entered again somewhere in here. And then I got out over here. And I was like, this motherfucker can't go up no more. And it's just going up and up and up and up. So the next short that come down, I'm looking forward to break a low, because it needs to come down and recoup some. So I'm looking for this area for another entry to buy. And I don't never sell the S&P, because when you sell, them sales don't last long. You'll get one every now and then.
Gotcha. You got to be right there. You got to hit that sell just right. And you got to,
because, you know, with the broker, you know, with some of these brokers, man, you can't, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can't be putting stops and shit on there, you know, because they will spread your ass every time. And with this S&P, gold and silver, man, the dang spreads are so high on them.
Yeah, that's what I'll tell you. I'm gonna try that software I was telling you about. I just downloaded MT4 onto this device, but I'm gonna get that software once I set my MT4 where I can actually hide the MetaGrid that I was telling you about.
Yeah,
I figure on those, catch them short moves, get that trailing stop, get the hidden stops, and just see, can we rake in some profit. I'm gonna put it on demo though. I'm gonna rake in. I'm gonna see, can I rake in some profits on going counter trend in the wrong direction, but on a strong push, and and rake in some few pips like that before my broker see where my stops at and try to get me up out of there. So that's my next move. It's come up with a strategy, but I can't do it manually. I can't do it manually. I mean, you can't do that manually. You know what I'm saying? You got to have a software set up like this. So I'm gonna try to see if it actually can close the trades out effectively, or if it's, you know what I'm saying, or if it. That's why I want to just see if it actually does what it said they do. Yeah, you know, I need my trailing style. I hate giving money back to the broker, man, on my percentages in the game. I hate giving money back. That's why I say I'm going to start using much. To me, yeah, I like swings and all that, but if it ain't designated specifically a swing trade, I'm raking in my pips, man, and getting on back, man. I could bank 50 to 100 pips I figured we could bank 100 pips a day, man. Is good.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
let's look at that. You got that total 1 and total 2
I got the
crypto.
total. I think I got the total.
Oh yeah, there we go.
It's the total. Total 1. Okay.
That's it. That's still good. That's still good.
Okay.
Let's see where this total going. Yeah.
Yeah, on a day, it looked like it's gonna push down. I'm expecting it to push down to where it was before the 618, going back to the 618.
Because it had it hadn't set no higher highs, and it's continuously setting lower lows.
Yeah,
I mean, and lower highs.
Yeah, it looked like it just ranging. It just you know, it might do that. It might do this one time. We'll be surprised, but whatever it do, I won't get in really on a lot of loans until they do this. You know what I'm saying? Until they break above this area, then retest it. But then, yeah, because this has been rejected here. It just done a lot of rejection, man. It's it's
because overall, this is its first correction. This is its first overall correction, the very first one.
Right.
So and I think these dudes at the feds, they know what's going on. You know what I mean? They're trying to kick the dog wise down, talking about they are gonna get rid of. There was no need for cryptocurrency or stable coins once the USD comes out with its own coin.
No, I would beg to differ. It's no need for the
I will
USD
too.
coin because we already got currency. And on top of that, the USD coin, that's just a coin. That's a currency. It's a transaction. You need software, other tokens, other software technology on the blockchain to support your coin. You can't develop all the technology yourself.
But I understand what you're saying. And their point is that no, they understand that. But what they're saying, there will be no need for a stable coin.
Gotcha. I got you.
You know, so they're trying to get rid of all stable coins, and it was another coin. But they're trying to get rid of, saying there would be no need for a stable coin. Where my phone at? I'll tell you exactly what they said.
Yeah, kind of keep you. So, yeah, I see what you're saying. They trying to say because our coin gonna be stable. It's gonna be legit. It's gonna be
it is the coin. You know what I mean? So why are you going to try to? Why you need a stable coin for a coin that is it? Like you ain't got no Bitcoin stable coin.
Right.
Okay, I'm trying to see if it comes back up. When I read it this morning. No. Dang it. I'll find it though.
Yeah, I think I read. I even got the link. So yeah, I'll read it later. But I and they just saying no reason for another stable coin like the USD Tether or USD coin or something like that. I see what you're saying.
But you still gonna you still gonna need all the pads. You still gonna need the swaps. You still gonna need, you know what I mean? And now now that they coming up with that Binance swap, you seen that?
Yeah.
So
Binance swap. Yeah, you're gonna need all the swaps. You're gonna need all the swaps, man. You can't do all the stuff you need in decentralized. What I did, you're gonna need card transactions. They got one I'm looking at. Oh, let me show you this. Let me show you this. I found this one. This on right fast while we're thinking about it. While I'm thinking about it. Can you see my page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this my crypto checkout. They're right here. They saying that they're gonna do crypto payment gateway for WordPress and WooCommerce. No need for a bank.
Are you a web shop owner who wants to allow your customers to pay in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, and many more? But you're not sure what's the best way to get started?
All right. But yeah, they doing an ICO drop right here, man. They doing a pre-sale right now.
And it's on ICO drops. Okay.
Yeah, it's on ICO drops. So I'm just checking it out. Let's go to website.
That's nice. Well, hey man, that makes a lot of sense. Not only that, it makes sense because I'm gonna use, for some reason, Target popped in my head. You know what I mean? If Target does not take crypto as a payment, you know what I mean? Because they don't want to have to deal with whatever they have to deal with on their side for cryptocurrency. Then a company like my crypto checkout comes in, you pay through them and they send Target cash and you're paying them in crypto.
Yeah. Well,
which
actually,
is good for them.
They don't even convert. They set your wallets up. You can do all that on your end, but you actually, if you got a WooCommerce store, you got a Bitcoin wallet, everything. Nobody have to even go to cash, which is good. But you could convert it. But yeah, that's good too. But look at this right here, brother.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let me put that on my notes right there. My crypto checkout.
No KYC, brother. Peer-to-peer, look at it here. Peer-to-peer payments. No KYC. So if they can pull this out, they'll be the first of the kind.
Yeah.
Which should bring value to the market. That's why I say the US government can do as much as they can do, but they can't develop all the technology that's needed on the blockchain.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can come up with a stable coin, but by the time you come up with a stable coin, the blockchain got other stuff that's going on. So you're not going to dominate. What I think America trying to do is figure out a way to get in crypto where they can dominate and be the lead, because they never want to be behind. It's you know what I'm saying? They got the US dollar, they got the greenback. We got greenback, we got oil. So we don't want to fall behind. All the time the world is going digital currency, and all the time the world is going electric vehicles, EV, you know what I'm saying? Solar. A lot of things is changing. Yeah, all gonna be around, but you fighting a battle where everything is declining, everything is going clean. They say by 2035, California only don't want no gas engines on their roads in California, period.
But yeah, but you know, dealing with oil, it really isn't going to change. Gasoline vehicles do make up a lot of the market, you know, but when it comes to gasoline, we can only refine so much oil to turn to gasoline. We actually outsource a lot of our shit, right? That get refined in other places.
Gotcha.
What Texas makes money on is refining oil into certain chemicals made to build other shit.
Yeah,
so you got we do a lot of petrol. So name me a vehicle on the road that will be on the road that will be made petrol free.
Right.
It's impossible. No. You can't make plastic, you can't make anything.
Rubber, you can't
even
make
even the equipment that makes the cars are all made out of petrol. You can have a solar Caliban in the middle of the field picking up oats. You know, it could be solar and ran on electricity, but everything, even the solar panels, are made out of some petrol that's made here in Texas.
I get it.
Oil ain't going, like you said, oil ain't going nowhere. It ain't going. So we are too busy focused on oil and gas prices, you know, and gas prices are just a manipulation of the people's thoughts. If they actually knew what was behind it, they was like, gas could be lower than what it is. A lot of people don't know, if we stop pumping oil altogether, it would just come out the ground by itself.
It would?
Yes.
Because of the pressure.
Because of the pressure. It did just start pumping up. You don't remember? There was a man, his name was Jed, poor mountaineer, better kept the family fed.
Yeah. he barely touched the ground and all came up. He shot a bullet in the ground and all came up.
Yep. Yep. That's just science part right there. So oil ain't going nowhere. But I'm gonna get on this. Oh, you know what? Let me stop this record.